Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Halo Inc. and today I'm going to teach you something new in Illustrator, how to get multiple strokes on live text. So the current job that I'm looking at here is recreating this style of names and positions. And if you look at how the file that was in the folder set up is, there's an outlined one at the bottom and multiple layers of text with different strokes and fills on top of that. So I want to keep this live and I want to be able to type in all my names without having to go in and do different layers and creating outlines and all that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my appearance window, which is going to be Shift F6. And down here, this is a stroke and this is a fill. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a stroke. And now you see it's added a black stroke. So we're just going to go ahead and turn that white and we're going to start bumping it out until it matches what is next to us here. And as you can see, it's cutting into the fill that's on there. So we're going to drag it down below characters. Now you see that it's on the outside, which is what we're looking for. And so what we could do is we could bring it down closer to make sure we're getting the same height. So we'll just go ahead and create a guide for that. And we'll line it up like so. We'll just keep bumping that out. Okay, so that's approximately the same stroke weight. So now we need to add the black, so we're just going to go ahead and click there, add one more. And we'll go ahead and turn this one black. And we will go ahead and click and drag it down below that. Now we're going to have to bump this out. And so what we'll do is we'll go ahead and just add another guide. And now we could just increase our stroke until it's at that size. So now, if we zoom out, we look at what we have here. It looks very similar, right? And so now we could go in and crash Illustrator. Now we can do, and it's live text, whereas before, you'd have to go into each layer and spend a whole bunch of time doing that. So yeah, thank you for watching.